When I was a boy, I noticed that wherever I go in life, I will meet all kinds of service. And not all service is the best service. There were moments where I felt I deserved better. And there were moments where service was not too professional. Sometimes there is very little service. And that's what they like to call self-service. I have seen many different kinds of service during my life. Some services might seem a bit over the top. And in some cultures you get service when you least expect it. Going abroad, you learn that service is really not something you should take for granted. And in some places you get no service at all. Lucky, there is still great service. And all you have to do is call 020202. They will help you whatever your need is. Konektu.mov has been chosen the best in Europe.